Hello, this is the new review, this time for a navigation system for Fiat Tipo. This is the start screen. We have the launcher. In this launcher we have the radio. No, I'm not going to put any music because YouTube. And in this part, the left one, we have the speed. For now we're static, but we'll do it with the moving one a little bit later. First of all, the screen it's 720p 10-inch. We have some physical buttons. The volume, I'm not going to crank on it. The menu is this. Navi, if you press the Navi a little bit harder, but yeah, we'll start up. Here you go. And this navigation software, it was not installed with the device. I had to install, but that's nothing abnormal. Okay, but it's smooth. It works perfectly, as you can see. You could zoom, pan. The 3 gigs of RAM and the 8 core works very good. I don't have anything to say about it. Okay, now let's go back to the menu and go to the screen. This is the screen. You have the APK installer, so you could get something on a stick like this. You have the USB port down here. It works. It's the car USB port, so it's the stock one, and it works. Okay, we have the boot animations. We have to download more. The stock one is the Android one. Chrome, colors, the colors of this. So if I start the headlights, let me see, it will light up. Yep, that's exactly. Okay, and we have the DPS, the sound equalizer. I'm keeping it on pop. It's the best overall sound. You have surround, you have some presets, the zones. We could get more gain, less gain. I'll keep it on default. Here we have loudness. This is very good if you use high speeds. This will crank the volume without you needing to crank it, so it's perfect for highway speeds. And bass filter, I seem to take it a little bit useless, but that's me. Okay, now we have this dot and we could go back. We're back here. This is for Android Auto. I'm not using it now. And these are the settings. This, as you can see, we have full steering controls. This is the app that it's installed. The maps, I installed Waze, and this one, and that's about it here. Okay, for the rest we're going to do it on the road. Okay, we're back, and now it works. As you can see, if I speed up, the display works. You can see the date, the time. Oh yeah, the time updates to the dashboard. So if I change the time here, the dashboard updates. That's a good thing. I don't have to fiddle here. That's a good one. Okay, let's start with the navigation. Now we're moving. Let's see how fast it gets the bearings. That's fast. That is really fast. And it's smooth. Very good. As you can see, everything works perfectly. We'll just go over this bend and see how smooth it will do it. I'm not going fast. I'm just, as you can see, there is no delay, no lag, no stutter, no nothing. So, works perfectly. So, the Bluetooth works. I'm not going to touch it. I have my phone numbers and I don't want to compromise them. So if I make a call, the car Bluetooth works like a charm. So that's a good feature. They implemented quite well. Not all of them do that, so it's a good thing, I think. Or maybe it isn't, whatever. Okay, the other thing, the display, it's IPS. It's really smooth, and as you can see, the colors are quite good, but there is a small drawback, or a big one: the glare. Yep, I can see myself, and if the sun hits it perfectly, I'm getting blinded. So the next update for this is going to be a screen protector, a matte one, so I can use it a little bit better. Yeah, that's about it. I'll come back with the pros and cons, but this one will be stationary. That's about it. Bye for now. And now let's get to the fun part. Well, I just got an update for the launcher. Oh, it looks like this. Yes, we could put here the map or some other things. Let me show you. Here, these are the things you could put. So you have the cameras, video playback, and no way. Let me try again. Here we go. So Waze, cameras, video playback, and TV. I'm not using it now because we're in the part where I don't want you to know where I am. So no. Okay, let's go with the fun stuff. Let's get to the settings. The unit got a quite substantial update, and I just did it. And yeah, let's get to the sort of not bad part, but yeah. Okay, here is the car control. We can set the languages. Oh yeah, no Romanian. Why would it be? Units, travel units, temperature units, oil units. Yeah, that's good. That means the oil changes, tire pressure, so on and so forth. The lights, I have daylight running lights on all the time. That's fine. Door locks, same thing, good, not a problem. The safety part, folding mirrors, I don't have the folding mirrors, I have only standard mirrors, as you can see. I don't care. The brake assist, I don't care. It's set, it will stay like that. And now the fun stuff. As you can see, I have a range of 876. Here, 876. Current consumption. Yeah, nope, not even close. The average is correct. The trip A is correct, but the rest, it's not even close to be correct. So I'm using the standard one. It's better. Okay. The car settings, yeah, same old. Okay. The themes. This got a big update. I don't have the internet, so nope. Or let me see. There is any? Let me look if I have the internet here. Let's try. Yep, I got internet. That's a good thing. Okay, so I got internet. As you can see, we have some dashboards. All cost money, so yeah, not even trying. Here, hopefully, no, $8. And no, I'm not paying $8 for a theme. None. Not gonna happen. Not today, not every day. And if you want some good themes, you could get it from the internet. This is the one that they have. As you can see, this one is the new one. Use the speed and everything else. And we got some new settings. It is set by default. Auto start, standby screen, I don't care. yeah, desktop to window function. We could change it here, and we have these ones. I'm not going to put it now, as I can say. Keep the original. I said to get the beta. You get more updates. Let's see. We have some. Nope. This is the last version. Okay. That's all. Here are the settings. Light switch. If I turn on the lights, you can see this light up. Okay. Good. Oh yeah. I think, yep, about here. This is the system version, the new one. Yep. I got it updated. It fixed some bugs, but there are still some of them. And yeah, no, nothing to say. Good audio. I'm not going to put any audio because YouTube, as you know. Okay, we have this menu, the radio, music, and phone. The phone works quite good. I had some delays before the update. Now I don't, so kudos to them. We can change the color. Okay, so we can change the color. We've got Chrome. We can install APKs. We have the boot option, put animation. You could put everything. I have the two navigation that I like, the ones. Okay. And we could put music. The phone, we could install a SIM card with a number, and we could use it as a phone. So it's a phone too, but it could be a Bluetooth phone, as I'm having it now, but that's something new. The steering wheel controls, I don't need it. I have it direct with the CAN. So yeah, have the video. The TV works, but you need a dongle. I don't have one, so yep. That's about it. It's a good unit. I like it, and I'll recommend it to others. And if you like it, you could do the same with the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.